While the world was sleeping, America was building something impossibly large. Forget the Rust Belt. It's being rewired into the world's most powerful brain. 100 gigawatts of pure intelligence, consuming more power than a small nation. But this isn't just about chips. It's a war for every watt of energy. Old coal is dead. Silicon needs nuclear. Welcome to the era of the sovereign machine. This is the new American map, where geography is defined by compute power, jobs, energy, and total dominance, rewritten in real time. But every revolution comes with a price. Are we building a future or just a golden cage? Every revolution starts with a spark. And this one is rewriting reality, not built, but born. For decades, the heart of America was made of iron and sweat, but the fire went out until now. Some of them exist where no human can breathe. Cold, isolated, deadly. The Silicon War's front line. Deep inside these systems, invisible forces rewrite reality itself at speeds no human mind can ever comprehend. But this machine has a hunger, one that demands a new kind of fire. We are redrawing the map of America, where forgotten cities rise as new digital empires. In this new world order, compute defines power beyond all traditional wealth. It replaces currency, reshapes empires, and rewrites the rules of global dominance. Beyond visible giants, a hidden network silently controls everything, shaping systems far deeper than markets or governments. It is no longer about machines alone, but minds that command the code itself. This is a race with no second place, a digital Cold War for control of the future, and everything now depends on a single fragile system. These aren't just buildings, they are sovereign fortresses, guarded by autonomous systems beyond human oversight. Some data centers operate where humans cannot survive. Cold pressure replaces air, and silence replaces control. Here the war for computation moves beyond human reach. It operates faster than human thought, optimizing every movement with ruthless precision, an invisible system where efficiency replaces instinct entirely. Every breakthrough demands sacrifice, as rivers dry and machines drink the last drops. Innovation forgets quickly, leaving silent fields of discarded intelligence buried beneath progress. Not everyone is cheering. Fear spreads as neighbors become distant, digital gods. These cities breathe above clouds, alive with silent intelligence. Architecture evolves into something almost organic, and something watching us. We built a god in silicon, but never ask who truly controls it.